This is the lifeboat, as you can see. So today we are planning to go inside this lifeboat. So let's go. The lifeboat. We have come to lifeboat. This is the front view of the lifeboat, as you can see from down. Now we will go up and board the lifeboat. This is the overview of the lifeboat, as you can see. We will remove this safety chain. We will open the door. Put the lock. Okay, so now we are inside the lifeboat. As you can see, these all are the lifeboat seats. The capacity of this lifeboat is 30%. So 30 persons can sit safely inside this lifeboat. Okay. This is the steering panel where the helmsman will sit and steer. Okay, so let's go on the steering wheel. Okay, so now we have come up to the position of steering. This is the steering wheel. Okay, this is the control lever where we give the helm. Okay, just a moment. So as you can see, we are now sitting on a near the steering of the lifeboat. We are on the helmsman seat. This is the steering. Okay, this where we give the command for ahead. This is the ahead and this is the stern, and this is the switch for if you want to switch on and switch off the lifeboat. This is the key. Here are all the control panel switches for switching on the lights and the fuses. If you want to release, this is the handle. okay, for the quick release of the lifeboat. So if we pull this handle, the lifeboat will be released. Okay, so now we will get down. Okay, so this is the overview of the steering. So one thing about the lifeboat equipments, all the lifeboat equipments are kept inside these lockers. They have the storage capacities, so all the lifeboat equipments are kept inside this. This is the emergency drinking water. Okay, so now we will go out from the lifeboat. Thank you very much. This is the lifeboat David part, and from where we release the lifeboat. These are the life rafts, throw over life raft.